Crafters, Amy here with Amy's Wares, and I'm going to do a little unboxing today. I did get a gift card for scrapbook.com over Christmas, and I did some shopping with that, and I also did some other shopping for myself for Christmas, and I want to share that with you. So to start, I have a scrapbook.com order here that I'm going to go through with you. I, of course, got a couple freebies, so I will maybe start with those. Get this box out of the way. So one of the freebies was this clear double-sided adhesive roll. I think it's 3/4 inch, I believe. Yep, 3/4 inch. So it's a nice width for applying two-sided adhesive if you have like an embossed panel that's maybe a little fiddly and not wanting to stay flat, or if you have maybe like a watercolor panel or something that really doesn't want to stay flat, then two-sided stick tape like this is really good to apply it to your card base. So that was one freebie. Here's another freebie. Mini snowflakes. These are a decent size. They're a little bit bigger than I expected. Let me grab a little ruler here a second. Figure out. This is about, wow, about 2.5 inches here. So that's decent. And then this one is about 1.5. So these are a substantial size. I kind of pictured them being really mini, but these are Scrapbook brand shaped dies. I will link everything that I'm showing you in the video description box below. Okay, and then in the theme of snowflake, I got, you guessed it, a 3D embossing folder. So all to new layered snowflakes. I thought this was really pretty. I'm really excited to try this out. So this would be great for thank you cards, like thank you so much or something for holiday or Christmas gifts that you've received, or just to kind of hang on to it for next year's Christmas cards. But I don't remember seeing this one, and I really like this open space where you can kind of just, I don't know, put your sentiment in there or something like that, like Merry Christmas or thank you or whatever, Happy Holidays or let it snow. I don't know, anything like that. We haven't gotten snow here in Michigan. It's pretty sad. We did not have a white Christmas, so that was a bit of a bummer. My niece who comes up from Georgia was really sad because there was no snow, but alas, here we are. Now, this is the main reason for my order. I've been wanting to try these for a while. I've been watching my friend Ardith use them for ages. Wow, look at all these black rubber bands. Okay. Wow, these boxes are a little smaller than I expected, but these are the small ink blending brushes from Altenew. So I still love my regular blending brushes. I'm going to keep using those too, but I've been eyeing these for so long, and I just want to give them a go. Oh, they're quite tiny. They're so cute. Oh, they're very soft. Okay. So Altenew brand, Craft Your Life. Yeah, they come in a set of 4, and I got 4. I usually only need 10, so I could have gotten away with, 3 packs, but I thought, what the heck, get 4, because then that way, sometimes I do encounter if I have something that's kind of teal, but kind of, one of those colors where I have a color family technically, but it's kind of out of that range. I figured it would be nice to have a few extra of these. So I'm going to have fun trying to find a container that I can store all these in. So cute. They're much smaller than I realized, but I'm excited to try ink blending with them. So see if I love them as much as Ardith does. Okay, now the other thing that I got, Crafty Moroi. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that company, but it's another small woman-owned business. She's so sweet. She put a little card in there. Again, I've been eyeing these things for a while, and, well, one of them anyway, and she had a really good deal. So this is a big, huge Celebrate die, and then there's this tag, and then there's also Let's Celebrate and You. So you could do Celebrate You, Let's Celebrate. I like this not because I work with slimline, but because this will still fit on an A2 size card. And you guys know I love the big imposing dies. And I like this option of having a stitched tag die as well. So she has a handful of these with different words. I like the uniformity of this with 3 letters on each line. Some of the other ones are like 2 and 3, 2 and 3 and 2 or something like that, which is fine. But I like the uniformity of this style of celebrate. So that was something that I've wanted for a while. And then this, it's so big, I don't even know if I can fit it in there. This is really cool. Look what it makes. So it makes this cute little box. I am a sucker for any dies that make little gift boxes because I make earrings. I like to give away little gifts, and my daughter is always making stuff with like little statues or little gifts with various crafting mediums, especially like polymer clay and stuff like that. So these little boxes, we go through a lot of them in my house. And then you have these optional where you can cut out the heart and do like a vellum or a clear, you know, acetate or something, and you can do the love. So this would be cute for, obviously, for Valentine's Day to put little candies in, but you don't even need to do the heart. You could just leave it the box. But I think pattern paper right away and create a bunch of these cute little boxes. So that's my haul today. Not a whole lot, but I am very excited to give these a little play and figure out how I'm going to store them. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll keep you posted on what I think of these. Like I said, these are not going to replace my other ones. It was time. It was time to give these a go because I've been really curious for a while. So I will link everything below. If you enjoyed this, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing. If haul videos are not your jam, check out any of my playlists. I mean, there's hundreds of process videos and all sorts of videos if this isn't your jam. So thank you for spending time with me today. I will catch you next time. Bye.